Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and I'm finally back with my first hair video after having my daughter Samaya. So my hair has not been done in 3 whole weeks. It started off as a braid out and I wore that for a week, and then I ended up putting it into this bun for another 2 weeks. So it is just dry and brittle. It's gone through childbirth and it needs to be moisturized. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I bring my hair back to life with moisture and detangling, and then I'm also going to give you guys an update on postpartum shedding, because I know a lot of you have asked if I've experienced it. So we will see at the end of this video if I notice any change in my shedding. As you guys can see, my hair is completely tangled, so I am going to go in and do some finger detangling just to make the process easier. I think I do have a bit of dandruff as well, so you can go ahead and pre-poo your hair when it is seriously just tangled beyond repair, but for me, just lightly finger detangling with my fingers just does the trick. I don't add any product or anything like that, just simply using my fingers. So once I feel like my hair is finger detangled enough, I am ready to begin washing. But first, I'm going to show you guys the 2 products I'll be using for this wash day. Now, those 2 products are the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo, which I have used and reviewed in another video, and I'll link that down below. And then I am going to be using their protein power treatment, which I have not reviewed on my channel, but I have used and I love it, you guys. Hands down one of the best masks I've used in a while, or treatments that I've used in a while. So the consistency of it is like super duper. When I say this is the thickest product I've used, yeah, you guys know I literally am like in heaven, because what do I love most? Thick and creamy products. So yeah, I'm just going to get this wash day started. So I am going to start off by drenching my hair underneath the water, and my hair is low porosity, so it does take a minute to actually saturate my hair. But once my hair is saturated, I'm going to go in and finger detangle once again. You can't detangle your hair enough, especially when it's been 3 whole weeks, and I want this wash day to go nice and smooth. So detangling my hair underneath the water just really helps to ease those tangles out, and you can see that my hair literally looks like I don't know, looks like I just washed my hair. You cannot tell that I just put water on 3-week-old dry tangled hair. So the next step is to shampoo. So using that Manuka Honey and Yogurt shampoo, I'm just applying that to my hair and scalp. And this is a very moisturizing shampoo, which is definitely what I needed since my hair was dried out. Does not strip your hair, leaves it nice and soft, and also does clean very well. It usually does have a better lather than this, but I don't think my hair was wet enough. So I'm just going to continue shampooing. Once I rinse that out, I'm going to go right to the protein treatment. This protein treatment, along with the rest of the line, is made with mafura and baobab oils, which are supposed to help soften and promote hair growth. So this video is not sponsored, you guys, just to let you know. But like I did say, this product is super duper thick. Like, look at how it looks on my hands rubbed in. Yeah, super thick. I'm going to apply that onto my hair, and it just makes my hair instantly so soft and moisturized. Now although it does moisturize my hair, protein treatments are a bit different than regular deep treatments. Deep treatments are more so just to moisturize your hair, while protein treatments are more so for strengthening your hair. So since my hair was so dry and brittle, it definitely needed some strengthening so that my hair is nice and strong and does not break off. Yeah, I'm just going to continue working that into my hair, and then I'm going to detangle with my wide tooth comb, and detangling with this product is very easy as well. So once I detangle my hair, I'm going to do the other side, let it sit, and I'm going to show you at the end what comes out and how much shedding I actually get. So this is my hair after letting the protein treatment sit on it, and then after rinsing the protein treatment out, this is what my hair looks like, and it is just back in a nice healthy state. I will never not do my hair again for 3 entire weeks. I want to get back to doing my weekly routine, even though I do have a baby now. I know I can get it done if I really plan and, you know, all that good stuff. So my hair is back moisturized and soft. So I will definitely have those products linked down below in the description box, and this is the amount of shedding I got, you guys. So this is the amount on this side, and then you'll see the amount on the other side. Not much at all. So I personally don't feel like I'm experiencing any shedding as of now, but I did read that most women don't, you know, start shedding their hair until like 3 months later. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And stay tuned because I will have an update if I do have any type of shedding.